At your cruise, keeping those hands, arms, legs, and feet inside the boat. Parents watch those children, but children watch your parents, okay? They're the ones I really don't trust, yeah. Well, for everybody just joining us, we were in the middle of this super duper fun game. You know, it's called Share Your Credit Card Information. Great, we can start with the 16 digits or the expiration date. Nothing. Well, cool. We can just go ahead and sit down there. Don't worry, all the seats are the same, brown and uncomfortable, just like me. And we are clear, yay! Wave by all those beautiful people on the dock, yeah. Don't be rude, though, wave by to the ugly ones too. Bye, Scott! I'm sure you're beautiful on the inside. Yeah, well, welcome aboard the world-famous Jungle Cruise, where we are world-famous for being famous around the world. My name is Rami, it rhymes with salami, and today I'll be your skipper, your guide, your social director, your dance instructor, and if you forget to laugh at my jokes, your swimming instructor. Great, so for everybody that didn't laugh there, you can take this opportunity to check under your seats for me. Right under there, just go ahead and pull that out. Yeah, it's called a sense of humor. You're gonna need it. Okay, we're starting here in the Amazon rainforest. If you look around, you can see some of those giant butterflies. They can grow anywhere between 12 inches and a whopping 1 foot. Yeah, you know, they're actually the fastest animals in the jungle. They can reach speeds up to 33 miles per hour. Right over here, we have Inspiration Falls. You know, some people ask me, Skipper Rami, why do we call it Inspiration Falls? Well, you stare deep into that rushing, gushing, flowing water. It inspires you to go deeper and deeper into the jungle. Yes, everybody say, ooh. Everybody say, ah. Everybody say, Rami is so beautiful. Don't stop. Don't stop. I'm the middle child. Yeah, well, we're now moving into Africa, making our way along the Congo River, so let's see how far we can go. Great. Well, right up over here, I set up a welcoming party for everyone. Well, that's embarrassing. Everyone's supposed to be there, but I can't see anybody. Canoe. You know, like something must have scared them off, but I really don't. Oh my gosh! It's probably that giant snake. Yeah, I know those guys are actually the fastest animals in the jungle. They can reach speeds up to 33 miles per hour. And you know, that kind of snake starts with a P. Does anybody know what it is? Plastic. That's okay, I can get rid of him. Let me just grab my snake repellent. Oh, wow. Well, looks like those guys got in and are monkeying around. Yeah, fun fact, they are actually the fastest animals in the jungle. They can reach speeds up to 33 miles per hour. We're now moving on to another river in Africa, the Nile River. The Nile River is actually the longest river in the world. It just goes on for Niles and Niles and Niles and Niles and Niles and Niles and Niles. Niles, and if you don't believe me, we're in Africa. Please pay attention. Oh, that right there's an African bulldog. They have incredible memories. I really wish I had a memory like that. Right over there we have an African bull elephant. You know, they have incredible memories. I really wish I had a memory like that. You know, they're actually the fastest animals in the jungle. They can reach speeds up to 33 miles per hour. And it's right here is a sandstone formation. You know, I like to think of it as one of our popular attractions here on the Jungle Cruise. You know, a lot of people take it for granted, but I mean, look at it. I think it's marvelous. Yeah, we're now on the African belt, which holds up the African pants. And if you look around, you can see some giraffes, gazelles, zebras, vultures. Oh, wow. Well, those lions are just protecting that sleeping zebra. Yeah, he sure looks dead. Tired, dead tired. Those lions are actually the fastest animals in the jungle. They can reach speeds up to 33 miles per hour. Right over here we have a rhino. They can grow to be over 2 tons, but still manage to be the fastest animals in the jungle. They can reach speeds up to 33 miles per hour. You know, those guys up there, they didn't believe me, but that's okay. I think they'll get the point in the end. Yeah. Down there at the bottom, that's my friend Ina. Everybody say hyena. Hyena. Right over here we have Schweitzer Falls. You know, Schweitzer Falls is actually named after the famous discoverer, Dr. Albert Falls. Yeah, don't worry if you didn't get that. We'll go over it later. Yeah, that water does come down at a record speed of 33 miles per hour. You know, in 1 hour, that's about as much as one person drinks in their entire lifetime. Yeah, I know. That can be pretty hard to swallow. Yeah, but hey, this is going to be a tight turn, so I'm just going to need everybody to lead to the right for me. Lead! my career never really took off like I hoped it would. Oh, hey, fun fact about these hippos, they're actually the fastest animals in the jungle. They can reach speeds up to 33 miles per hour. They're also the strongest animals. Last week they capsized 6 of our boats. Yeah, but don't worry, only 5 were mine. Let me try and scare them off for you. I love you! I'm ready for commitment! It worked. Great. Well, we're now moving into headhunter territory, which is a terrible place to be headed. I mean, you can ask my last crew, but they're just a bunch of boneheads. Boneheads, get it? Because their skulls. Good. Laughter, it's infectious. Oh, hey, these guys were supposed to be telling us something, but they all just decided to play freeze tag. Well, as we move further into headhunter territory, don't worry about these guys over here. They're just practicing their Shakespeare. Yeah, to throw or not to throw, that is the question. Whether it's his milk or something, sorry. I'll try not to yell. Yeah. If anybody does get hit with a spear, just pull it out and throw it back. We're not allowed to keep souvenirs, yeah. Well, we are now just in time for what you've all been waiting for. It is the 8th wonder of the world. The backside of water! Skips like to call that O2H. Just don't try that at home. You'll hit the back of your head on the faucet. Don't ask me how I know that. Yeah, but we're now in the Mekong River of Southeast Asia, and right. We are headed towards a temple, but I have never seen this entrance before. You know, it could lead to adventure, it could lead to danger, and well, this is Disney World, so it could lead to a gift shop. Yeah, but keep your eyes open, okay? And mine will be closed. Great. Oh no, it's going to be painful, just as I suspected, a root canal.
Because he will give you the cold shoulder. Now he did invite me over the other week for some dinner with his family, and I told Sam, you know, I just don't really care for your brother. And he said, hey, that's totally fine. Here, try the soup. Yeah, I also told Sam, you know, I'm not really agreeing with your mother-in-law. And he said, yeah, you really got to take her with a grain of salt and pepper. Yeah, but I did tell Sam, you know, you're right, makes a delicious pie. It was fantastic. And he said, yeah, I liked it too. But I'm going to miss her. That's for that. You guys, right around this corner before we approach dock, these safety riders just remain seated until we come to a complete stop. Keeping those hands and elbows inside the boat, okay? I don't want you to experience any peer pressure. Yeah, you know, out of all my cruises today, you guys have definitely been one of them. But we would like to thank you for your presence here today. That's right, anything you leave behind, I'm just going to consider it a present. Yeah. So wallets, watches, purses, cell phones, cameras, car keys, just leave them on your seats, I'll take them. I'm just not children. Nope. You leave children behind, you re-give them to It's a Small World, they nail their feet to the ground and they sing that song for the rest of their lives. You have a question? You think you're funny? Who has the microphone? If you want to speak on a boat, you have to be wearing khaki, so sorry. What are you doing on your phone, though? Is it more entertaining than me? It's okay. Thanks for your scattered pity laughter, I appreciate it. It's been a blast, you guys. Blast from the past. You know, I was supposed to tell a New Year's joke, but I really dropped the ball on that one. Speaking of New Year's, though, how many of you guys plan on catching the fireworks tonight? Yeah, don't. It can be very hot and they tend to explode, okay, my dude? I would recommend watching the fireworks from a safe distance, okay? Yeah, great. I think I broke them. You guys, you really have it outstanding on this boat today for the most part, but in a couple moments I am just going to need you outstanding on that dock over there. Yeah. But hey, you know, if you have enjoyed your cruise today, well, my name has been Skipper Rami, rhymes with salami. Yeah, the lunch meat. But if you didn't, well, my name has been Skipper Tony, rhymes with bologna, also the lunch meat. Look at that, clapped her. Wow, you guys didn't even laugh and they're clapping for her. Great job. That's fine. If you look up here, you'll see Skipper Brooke. Skipper Brooke is actually the fastest animal in the jungle. And you know, she can reach speeds up to 33 miles per hour. Yay, love audience participation. Yeah, well, that is what we here like to call a running joke. And, well, you've crossed the finish line, so get out. Yeah, oh, thank you for that pity applause. Yeah. No, you don't have to join in. You weren't doing it in the first place. Yeah, watch your step as you exit that handrail. If you don't watch your step, you can